Hello and welcome. This is Kendra, and I am super excited to share that I am a guest designer this month for the Not Too Shabby shop using their November of 2023 box of the month. And in this video, I'm sharing all of the wonderful contents in this awesome card making kit. It comes in this super cute box, and it has a QR code on the side that takes you to their website, and another QR code on the other side where you can follow them on social media to see lots of wonderful card making inspiration. There's lots of goodies included, so let me get this thing opened up and I'll show you what's inside. Let me show you one of the stamp sets first. This is called Cowgirl's Heart, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. These boots with the flowers, gorgeous. I love that there's several images for the boots and the hats, and the sentiments include, "You are the he to my haw," "Hey y'all, it's your birthday," "Yee-haw," and "Howdy." I love this. And here is another stamp set. This is a sentiment stamp set called Western Sentiments, and it includes "Bless Your Heart," "Saddle Up," "Cowgirl," "Forget Glass Slippers, This Princess Wears Cowboy Boots," "Boots, Lace, and a Whole Lot of Grace," "I'm Head Over Boots for You," "Country Roads Take Me Home," and "Wild Hearts Can't Be Broken." I just love these. And here's another stamp set. This one is called Desert Landscape. It has some beautiful silhouette stamps and some sentiments that say, "I will never desert you," "Dream," and "Wild Birthday Wishes." I just love these cacti images. This kit comes with 2 paper pads, and here's the first one, and it's called Cowgirl Up. The kit also includes 2 different packages of ephemera. This one is called Desert Dreams, and the other one goes with the Cowgirl Up paper pad. So let me get this open, and I'll show you what the papers look like. This is gorgeous. The first pattern has 2 shades of pink roses on an ivory background. Then there's this wood grain pattern on the back, and it has like this distressed paint look in light pink. There's another wood grain pattern in kind of a rust color. And then another floral and leaf pattern on the back. It's got pinks and browns. Let me turn it so you can see it. And then there's this pink paisley pattern. And another wood distress pattern in the pink and rust colors. And then another gorgeous floral pattern with pink and ivory flowers. And then on the back, there's another pattern of wood panels. Another wood grain with distress paint in mint green. And then on the back is that paisley pattern again in the light green color. Another gorgeous floral pattern with darker pinks or rose-colored flowers and some brown leaves. These will look great with craft-colored cardstock. Another wood grain distress paint pattern with the rose pink. And then this next one is a wood pattern, but it kind of looks like the corner of a sliced log in that rust or coral-looking color. And then on the back, another beautiful floral pattern. Another paisley pattern in a brownish rust color. And then there's a smaller wood pattern on the back, almost looks like shiplap. And then another distressed wood grain pattern in a peachy pink color. And then more pretty florals on the back with an ivory background. And then this gorgeous floral with ivory, rose, and pink flowers with more brown leaves, kind of looks like carnations. And then a brown paisley on the back. Another distressed wood grain pattern with the darker pink paint look and more flowers on the back of that. I love that there's a variety of florals in this paper pad and all the different wood grain patterns. Ooh, and this one has that, it pulls in that dark color, almost a red rose. And then another wood grain pattern. And then more wood grain. And it looks like we're back to the beginning. So there's 24 papers in this pack, 2 of each design. And I love the quality. It's a thicker cardstock, not thin paper. So now let's take a look at the ephemera. Let me clear this stuff out of the way and get this opened up. But first we have this beautiful basket of flowers. A pair of boots. And a horse in a wreath. And one that's a little bit bigger. A cowboy hat on a cactus plant with some flowers. And then more boots, just a smaller version. Let me hold this horse up close since I didn't do that before. Isn't that gorgeous? And then more boots with flowers and cacti coming out of it. Beautiful. Boots with roses. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. There's a heart. Another horse. A bigger hat on a cactus. More boots with flowers. A hat with roses on it. More boots with cactus and flowers. Just a smaller version. A hat with roses underneath. More boots with flowers, just a bigger version. Another hat with roses underneath, it's just a bigger version of that smaller one. And then we've got the hat on the cactus with the flowers, another small one. Another large hat with roses underneath. More boots with the flowers and the cactus plants, just a bigger version. Got a heart. Another hat. Another basket of flowers. Another hat on the cactus plants. Another set of boots with flowers. Another version of the boots with roses coming out. Another hat with roses on top. More boots, smaller set. And then another basket of flowers. Love that. There's two of those. More hearts. Another hat with roses on top. Oops. These are just beautiful. Excited to make cards with these. Another set of boots with the roses and the cactus plants. Another hat with roses on top. Smaller boots. Another horse. And then a larger set of boots. And some more hearts. Absolutely gorgeous. What an awesome set of ephemera. There's a ton of images here to make a bunch of cards. So now let me show you the other 6x6 paper pad. This is called Desert Dreams. This one has 12 designs. This first one has cactus plants with flowers on a black sky background. And the back side has stripes in the different shades. Then there's this Aztec pattern on this pale pink background. And then on the back of this, there's this cool pattern with skulls, with cacti on the top, cowboy hats, boots, the steer skulls, horseshoes, feathers, sun, moon, and stars, plus some flowers. And then there's this faux glitter pattern in the brownish rust color. And on the back, there's this cowhide pattern. I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then there's another Aztec pattern with black. And then on the back, there's butterflies, leaves, snakes, sun, and moon on a black sky looking background. Another stripe pattern. And then that same pattern except on a light pale pink background. And another cactus and flower pattern, except this is on the light pale pink background instead of the black like the first one. And then another cowhide pattern. And then I think we're back to the beginning. So with this paper pad, you get 4 of each design. Beautiful, beautiful paper pad. And then this is the ephemera pack that goes with the Desert Dreams paper pad. So let me get this open to show you what's inside. It looks like you get 2 large images that would be perfect for backgrounds on an A2 card. One with the blue sky and the other with a black night sky. And then there's some stars, lots of little stars, and some butterflies. And there's some flowers in different shades that match the paper pad. Then there's some clusters of flowers and leaves. And there's a hat. There's an eye. And then a plant or succulent. And then a cactus with the steer skull. It's like a hawk or an eagle. Another hat. Some more flowers and butterflies. another star. There's a snake, a steer skull, a moon, a horse, and a bigger snake. Looks like a star and sun, and another big flower, and then another star, and then some greenery, and then a cactus. There are several of them, and a bigger horseshoe, a bigger steer skull, another horseshoe, another star, another steer skull, more flowers, a bigger hawk. I guess it's a hawk, not an eagle. Could be an eagle, I guess. And then another horse, another cactus, several of these, a larger sun, more flowers, more stars. There's a boot, or two boots in the denim or blue color. There's a skull with cactus and flowers coming out the top. And then some feathers and another boot. Another awesome package of ephemera. Again, this one goes with the Desert Dreams paper pad. So in this kit, you get 3 stamp sets, 2 paper pads, and 2 packages of ephemera. I'm from the South, so this kit is right up my alley. The Not Too Shabby shop really knocked this one out of the park. I absolutely love it. Such an awesome kit and a wonderful value. I hope you'll click on the link in my description box to sign up for the box of the month at Not Too Shabby. This is an affiliate link, which means if you make a purchase, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, Not Too Shabby is one of the wonderful super sponsors for Kendra's Card Challenge 12. So if you're not familiar with my quarterly card making challenges, I hope you'll check it out to learn how you can make a bunch of cards using 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and have a chance to win lots of prizes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm super excited to share the cards I made with this kit on my channel tomorrow, so please click on that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. I appreciate you joining me today for this unboxing video. Please leave me a comment and let me know you stopped by. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful crafty day.